this not break?
I have no fucking clue.
Because I've seen people with less power and it popped. It's impressive, man.
We just had it put back in, and I had steel welded across the back of it, but it broke loose.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I come in?
Yes, sir.
Dude, your glass is like flexing like crazy, man. This is a blow-through?
Yep.
Okay. Woo. What's your equipment?
4 Crossfire XT3s, 15s, 1 Crossfire 16K, and an 800.4, and I believe a 500.2, 2 CS 80s, 2 brand exalts.
What is the tuning on that port?
I believe 43.
43?
Somewhere in that.
That's pretty low. Good on the lows then.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
We just had it put back in, and I had steel welded across the back of it, but it broke loose. I think I gotta pull everything back out and just reconstruct that back wall.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Pretty impressive blow-through system. I don't know the exact SPL score, but I really wish I would have asked him. I know it's in the high 50 dB range for sure, and I'm really impressed to see how he optimized his space with this blow-through. It is a 4th order enclosure for anybody new watching. If you don't know what that is, there's a sealed section where these subwoofers are mounted into, where the cone is on the left and right box, and then the inverted section. So go ahead and give him a like if you didn't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I really like the actual ratio of this box. Right around a 3.5 to 1 ratio it looks like, based off of the sealed to ported section. That helps with him get a high-end peak, a little bit louder near that peak frequency. And with him having his subwoofers inverted like they are almost touching, but they aren't. They probably have a little bit of heat dissipation hitting each other, but I'm sure it's going to be perfectly fine. That's probably going to be a question that somebody asked if that was okay. But it kept the motors a lot cooler when they're not in the sealed section for 4th order enclosures. And if you notice, all of the pressure is coming out the center of the port. The seats aren't blocking it too much. That probably is most optimal for this style blow-through. If anybody's looking to do a blow-through, this would probably make the most sense. And amplifiers being staged in the center console, that way he doesn't have it mounted to the box. Probably still a lot of vibration because he is running a 16,000 watt amplifier at half ohm, definitely pushing the power out. During that second song of this 2-song demo, you're going to see a lot of crazy flex on that windshield. It seemed like it was going to break. He is already tearing apart his welded brackets on the back of his box because of how much pressure it is. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
like I'm out of my mind. It feel like my life ain't mine. Who can relate? Ooh. I've been on the low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind. It feel like my life ain't mine. I don't wanna be alive. We took the foes off the Chevy and we said we don't know 66.
Thank you, man. Dude, how does this not break?
I have no fucking clue.
Because I've seen people with less power and it popped. It's impressive, man.
We just had it put back in, and I had steel welded across the back of it, but it broke loose. I think I gotta pull everything back out and just reconstruct that back wall.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Awesome.
Always a pleasure.
Yes, sir. Appreciate the demo, man.